Hi there, John Canton from JRC Handcrafted Whips, and I've got another episode of First Cracks today. So, this is a set of 6-foot bull whips that I made for my collie and JKD instructor. His school is called Wolf Martial Arts, and you can see embroidered here into the handle is a little wolf logo and a W. It repeats on the other side, and we also have the same thing going on here on the other whip. These are manufactured as inverses of each other. So one is primary black, one is primary red, with the red and black contrasting colors done mirror image on each other here. They're 6-foot bull whips ending in a twisted taper, 2-point fall hitch, and contrasting colors for the falls as well. They've got a really nice little dragon concho there in the heel knot that looks really cool. They've got a fiberglass handle, about a 12-inch fiberglass handle, and I'm going to go give these a little bit of a tryout and see how they work. They are fresh out of the wax. There you go, Randy. Hope you like them.